I feel like hearing that. At the same time, it could just be like branches and stuff falling off of trees. I don't know if I want to go down there. That place honestly creeps me out. Whenever we go in there, like I just get this weird vibe when I'm in there. Like I feel like I'm being like watched or like just something is like out there and like I don't know. I just get these weird vibes whenever I'm out there, and it's like, baby Chunky, what are you doing? Chunk, you want to join me? Chunk, hey there. Okay, I guess baby Chunky is gonna join us on our adventure. Instead of the Tyson and Luke duo, we should make the Tyson and Chunk duo, right, Chunk? Chunky, come here. Come here, Chunk. Come here, Chunk. Let's go on an adventure. Looking for paranormal activities. Exactly like that. Yep. Come on, Chunk. We're gonna go this way. Yeah, I think he already knows that we're gonna go this way. Is that glass? Wait, look at this. There's just sun in it. Hold up. Oh, oh, it's my flipping camera light. Look, it's my camera light. Oh, come on. I thought it was the sun. That's my. I don't know why this thing always turns on in the day. Supposed to be a nighttime thing, but it turns on in the day. So, Chunk, I would not go in there. That does not look very safe. Chunky! Oh my goodness, I keep hearing things. Oh, I'm telling you guys, I have like paranoia. So I get paranoid. Yeah, let's start heading out of here, May, looking somewhere else. So far, we haven't seen or heard anything concerning, but that can change. Chunky! Chunky! Chunk should low key be the thumbnail for this video. Yeah, like right there, there's still some ice. And even right there. And right there. And right there. And right there. Yeah. Chunk. Wait, what? Is that him over there? Chunk, where are you? Wait, what? You? I don't even. I'm confused. Honestly, y'all, do y'all want more like exploration videos where like we don't do paranormal investigations or like any? We just explore like the woods and stuff. Like we just look around and all that. Because I mean, we've done videos like that, and they usually do pretty good. Like y'all seem to enjoy them. So I mean, if y'all want to, I mean, we can do more exploration videos like this. Just come outside, chill. Get some good like Instagram pics and stuff. Just chill in the woods with all the creatures that are out here. Now, this location be like the flipping Skinwalker Forest. Imagine having to spend the whole day in the Skinwalker Forest. Crazy, right? We've been there two times. Dang it. Flip. Well, technically three times because when we went to Skinwalker Ranch, we had to go into the forest to find Luke and Jimmy. And technically, that would have been a Skinwalker infested forest too. So, technically speaking, three times, but really two, because two of those series are based on the actual Skinwalker forest, not the Skinwalker Ranch, or a ranch for that matter. So yeah. So what am I talking about? Just hope Chunk will be okay in there. Usually he comes back. Like I think he knows his way back in there. Like how to get back to the house. Yeah. This week has gone by fast. Like we were home Monday and Tuesday because of the snow or the ice, and then yesterday, and it's already Thursday, and I'm like, what? I keep thinking it's Wednesday, but it's Thursday, and I'm like, what? What the flip? Wasn't it just Wednesday? And yeah, well, somebody head to like the house. I don't know. We can go check on Smiler. We haven't seen him in a while on it. You know, before he got kidnapped, we used to go out there and see him all the time. But like nowadays, we never go visit Smiler. I'm kind of, that makes me sad because like we used to go see him like all the time, and now we just like barely see him. So let's go visit Smiler. Let's go make his day. Because he probably gets really bored sitting in that car all day. Well, that car's his house. He actually lives in there. Like Smiler actually lives in the car. Just if y'all were curious, like Smiler does live in the car. Like he doesn't live in the house. He actually lives in the car. Like he lives in the car. Maybe we should make Smiler a friend. You know, like uh I don't know. I mean, we're her friends. We're his friends. But like he should have like a friend that lives in the car with him. Like wow, interesting. Smiler didn't really get to see the ice. He's been in the car. He looks kind of creepy in there. Hey, Smiler. It's been a while, hasn't it, bud? Yeah, I'm kind of sorry. Like, I haven't seen you lately. Been kind of busy. Uh, I mean, the Springies will see you again. We'll see you again, bud. We still love you, man. Okay. Everybody, drop a W in the comment section for Smiler. Smiler's screen time. Flip, I can't talk. Okay, Smiler's been on screen long enough. Bye, Smiler. See you whenever we see you. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow we'll see him or visit him. If I remember. I'm sorry, I don't. Comment down below if Smiler should move into the house. Hey, Chance. Yeah, we're gonna go see Chance. I know this hasn't been much of a haunted video, but it's my series, so I can pretty much do whatever the flip I want with it. Sorry, I didn't mean to be like that, but hey, Chance. Hey, girl. Say hi to the Springies. I don't think I've seen Chance either in a while. Have y'all? I don't even know, honestly. It's been a minute, hasn't it, Chance? It's been a minute since you've seen the Springies, right? Yeah, even she agrees. Well, there's Chance, y'all. Love you, Chance. Love you, Chance. Yeah, I think it's been kind of a while since y'all seen Chance. Been like a while. Man, I should start vlogging my life more. Cause like I see Chance every day, but y'all like rarely see her. And when y'all do, it's only for like a minute or something like that, or two. Hmm. Maybe we should. Cause remember a while ago we did a video where we played with Chance, so maybe we should do another one like that. But y'all get to play with Chance, you know? Like maybe we attach the camera to Chance, or no, we attach it to us, and like we run around with Chance, and you guys get and y'all get to play with Chance too. Wouldn't that be fun? Y'all would also get to play with Chance. What the flip is that? Is that a ball? But yeah, y'all get to play with Chance too. Wouldn't that be fun? Just all of us chilling with Chance and stuff. Chilling with Chance. That lucky sounds like a movie title. Chilling with Chance. Chilling with Chance. I don't. The next flipping series, Chilling with Chance. What is? That's a balloon. That's literally a balloon. What is a balloon doing out? Somebody have a birthday? Well, I think I'm in the video here, y'all. Yeah. Sorry if this wasn't really much of a haunted video. I don't really know what to say to that, but you already know. God bless y'all, and don't forget, keep it springy. Have a great rest of your week, month, year. You know, 2026 has been it's been good so far. It hasn't been too bad so far, so it's gonna be a lot of hope for the rest of the year. But yeah, 2026 has been good so far. I hope it stays good for like the rest of the year, because like 2025 was kind of rough. Like even 2024 just sucked on it. Like 2024 was just not really a good year. I don't, at least not for me. I don't know about y'all. That's just my opinion. Okay, I've been talking for too long. Peace, y'all.